Swift Plumbers, video number 4 of 4 for customer number 14847. We can see that our pipe is in. And our cement is in. We rough patched this cement. Further work will have to be done to the flooring. But our part for the pipe repair has been completed. Note to the customer, you're going to want to get someone in here to put back some padding and put the carpet back down in this area. This is your living room. Customer is out of town, so I want to give them a good visual of the work that has been done and completed. Cement is now dry from yesterday, so this can be done at any time. We cleaned up a lot of the stuff, but I still recommend professionals cleaning further, as this was a major construction job in the home. In here we have terrazzo floor, which now has a cement patch in it. Not knowing which way the customer is going to go with this, we bring this up to the level of the terrazzo, which can either be sanded back, and a terrazzo professional can come in and try to make that look somewhat better. We cut it nice and neat on the terrazzo in this instance, as the cement was not too thick, so we were able to try to square it up and make it look as good as possible. Some people have actually put like a design, a terrazzo design or whatnot in at an angle to make it look good if they don't want to redo their whole floor. A lot of people will tile this area, but nonetheless I wanted to show the house. And like I said, taking care of the floor covering, some more cleaning would be a great thing.